Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. All right, I am actually engaged or in the middle of a emergency service call. I was called out to this church that has a C3 and Lazy 122. I played the organ. Organ sounds great. The problem was that the motors would not switch speed, so it would not go to slow. So the motors continued to turn. So I went through my typical troubleshooting steps, and it led me all the way down to step number 6, which is the 428 kit, the vintage. So this is a vintage 428 box. Now, so I'm checking the components of the 428 kit, and here's what I found so far. I'll replace this cap, but this capacitor checked good, but I'm going to replace that anyway. This resistor tested good, and this resistor here tested good. But watch what happens. Look at this white around this resistor here. Watch what happens when I test this resistor. This is a 82k ohms resistor. So we're gonna move my meter over here. Austin, can you record this for me? So when I put, now let's see the other one. We're gonna put the meter on, put this on the bottom one, and we get 46k on the 47k ohm resistor. But this 82k ohm resistor, when I put the meter on it, look what it gives me. Look at the meter, look what it shows, Austin. What does it say? Right there.
0.
Open. It says open. All right. So what that means is that this resistor is bad. This resistor is open and needs to be replaced. So that's why the Leslie was not changing speed. It's because of this resistor here. So that's 82k ohm resistor. Once I replace that resistor, then this kit will change speeds as it should. All right, so I'm going to replace this and this in this kit and reconnect this wire that goes here. These resistors are good, so I'll leave them alone. All right, until the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.